What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to name this organic compound. So how many carbon atoms we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have hydroxyl group and we have double bond in here. So for naming we need to start with the side that hydroxyl group has the lowest number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have hex-2 in 1-ol. That's going to be the name of this organic compound because this one is 2 and here the hydroxyl group connects to the first carbon here, so that's why we have hex-2 in 1-ol. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day.